Hello guys! Ang lulutuin natin ngayon ay chicken meat na may halong celery leaves, cabbage at malunggay. Ayan, panoorin. At ayan, yung mga ingredients na gagamitin natin, yung malunggay, at saka yung chicken powder, tsaka may red pepper, at saka yung bay leaves, at saka yung corn black pepper, at saka yung celery leaves, tsaka chicken meat, tsaka cabbage, at saka yung onions na at luya and garlic, at saka may asin. Ayan, lagyan natin ng tubig. Ayan, mainit na yan yung tubig. Tsaka ilagay natin yung garlic at saka yung onions. Ayan, ilagay natin yung tomatoes na in-slice ko. Ayan, at takpan natin ng mga 3 minutes. Ayan. Ayan, ilagay natin yung celery leaves at saka yung chicken meat at ayan, ilagay natin yung bay leaves at saka yung corn black pepper at saka asin para titigas yung chicken. At takpan natin ng mga 15 minutes. Ayan. No, 20 minutes pala. Ayan. At ayan, nakita nyo na half cook na siya. Ayan, ilagay natin yung cabbage. At ayan, haluin natin at takpan natin ng mga 2 minutes. Madali lang maluto kasi yung cabbage. At ayan, ilagay natin yung malunggay. Yung malunggay ay frozen yan. At ayan, haluin natin. At ayan, tikman natin kung okay yung mga sangkap na nilagay natin. At kung kulang ay magdagdag. Ayan, tama na daw. At takpan natin ng mga 2 minutes. At ayan, ready na yung chicken meat natin na may maraming halong vegetable. At thank you very much for watching guys. And please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Like and share and comments down below the video. And please hit the notification bell on the right side para lagi kayong update sa mga susunod na video ko. Maraming salamat po!